Where are we going today, folks? Well, today we're going to Waipu Cove. Yeah, and on the way we'll be going, we'll stop in at Uretiti Beach. Yes, and that's a beach that has got a funny old history. And I'll tell you about it when we get there. Yeah, the ride out to Waipu Cove, pretty uneventful. It's a lot of straight roads. Quite a few of my last videos have been about twisty roads going out to the beach. Well, this time around, not so twisty. Beautiful beach though, but not so twisty. Pretty straight. Well, you know what, guys? We might do a little bit of an excursion once we get to Waipu Cove and go up and over the hill to Lang's Beach. Lang's Beach is it's a nice beach. Actually, it's more than a nice beach, bloody nice beach. And yeah, we'll have a look. I just want to show you guys as we're heading out towards Waipu here. There's this beach here. Now this is just south of Ruakaka, or as you can say, north of Waipu, and it's Uretiti Beach. Here's the Uretiti camp. It's another dock campground, a Department of Conservation campground. Well, this beach is colloquially known as Titi Beach. As you can see in its name, there's T-I-T-I, Titi. So it is colloquially known as Titi Beach. Now there's a great big campground right here that we're probably not going to just be able to ride on in, but we can go down to the public beachettes. Yes, so we go this way onto a little bit of gravel, bloody sand, gotta watch out. Titi Beach. Titi Beach is called Titi Beach for a reason. That's right, this beach is a well-known nudist beach. That's right, folks, a nudist beach. You go up, so when you go you come down to the beach here, usually not this, if you're going to it through the campground, you go down to the main beach and you turn right, so you're heading south down the main beach. Go down there about, I don't know, 500 meters maybe, and hello, you might come across some sights you may or may not want to see. You can partake. It's a well-known spot, and I suppose people want to be called naturalists. The naturalists are down there, you know. So yes, Titi Beach is not just called Titi Beach for because of the spelling. Righto, I doubt there'll be any nudists down there today. It's not very sunny, it's rather fresh. Oof, bloody big bottles. Anyway, so that's a bit of fun fact for you guys down here at Titi Beach. Okay guys, I'll take a quick stroll down to the beach. Anyway guys, that was Uretiti Beach. So now I'm going to carry on south to Waipu, and then you go through Waipu town, and then I'll go out to Waipu Cove, and we'll carry on down there. We'll chuck the drone up down there as well. So yeah guys, so this is Waipu. It's a pretty historic little town. And just down there, down Caledonian Park, in there is where they have the Highland game. Yeah, like I say, strong Scottish influence out here. Just coming up here is the McLeod's Pizza Barn and Brewery. That there, folks, is the home of McLeod's beer. Yep, it's a great spot, man. Good place to go for a feed and a beautiful beer. They have the McLeod's obviously on tap, all the different flavours you want. So that's little Waipu town. And of course, we're heading out of Waipu because we are heading for the Cove. Here we are guys, we're at Waipu Cove. This place is teeming with people over summer. And with good reason. It's a great beach. You know, you've got this great campground right here, just there. It's got cabins, you can have tents, there's caravans, whatever, campsites. And just up here, when you get to the Cove, there's a shop right here where you can get, well, it's a dairy, you know, whatever. And and it's got really good facilities here. And as you can see, there's bloody heaps of people here already. And look at the day, it's not exactly great and sunny and everything. But you've also got this place here, this place right here, which is the Cove. So you got that there. So yeah, so this beach is a massively popular beach. And as you can see here, there's a few people set up with gazebos. There's changing facilities. There's the Cove there. Great spot for food. You can have a beer, you know, have a drink, beer. This is also a bit of a surf beach. People come here and surf. And right there is like, yeah, like I say, change facilities. You've got all sorts of facilities here for people. Oh, we can park right there. Check that out. Perfect. That's Waipu Cove, folks. Great place, man. As you can see, you know, we're not even in the height of summer. People turning up. People turn up here because it's got everything you want. And it's pretty safe beach, good for the kids. It's got surf lifesaving here. Yeah. Really enjoy coming out here. Guys, here we are, look, just coming down in front of Lang's Beach. This is a great little beach here too. Well, it's actually not that little, it's got a good sized beach. Look at it. Hey, woo, pretty pristine. Now guys, hey, this is pretty impressive. Look at this. This is a pretty nice beach, eh? Pretty close. It's just over the hill from Waipu Cove. There's no surf lifesavers and stuff like that out here, but this is a different sort of beach, this one on this side. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Pretty cool spot. Hey guys, it's pretty stunning today. Yeah man, look at it. Oh, that's pretty nice, look at that. Woo, she's pretty scenic today. Pretty good, man. Good day for it. Let's find a place to park up, eh? Hello guys, well that's Lang's Beach. Nice spot, great spot actually, great spot here. I mean, just look at it, eh? You know, far out, look at this. And it's a massive beach, man, goes way around the corner, way around there, way back up over there, heaps of people. And man, it is going to be a shame to have to put on the gears, but you know what it's like, gotta put on the gears, eh? Anyway guys, I've had a really good ride out here today. Met a few people, caught up with a guy I used to work with way back. Shout out to Mr. Digby. Yeah, there's just lots of bikers, man. There's been lots of bikes just cruising past here. I had a bit of fun with the drone, flying it over the top of me, and oh man, but freaky. You don't know if the thing's going to hit you in the back of the head. But anyway, so yeah, so well, that's me done for the day. That's me done. I hope you enjoyed seeing this footage of these beaches along here. Anyway, so that's me. I'm done for the day. So hey, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.